Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We are so grateful that you would join us. Thank you so much. Today guys, we are in Nairobi, Kenya, and we are requesting you to join us as we drive on Mombasa Road as we explore the rehabilitation progress of this busy highway since the opening of the road above us, Nairobi Expressway. Mombasa Road runs from the largest city of Kenya, Nairobi, to the coastal city of Kenya, Mombasa. In this drive, we'll be driving from the intersection of Langata Road or Nyayo Stadium roundabout to the Eastern Bypass interchange. The Kenya National Highway Authority had indicated that the lower road, and in this case Mombasa Road, would be rehabilitated to its original state or better since it was damaged during the construction of Nairobi Expressway. Please share this video out, like this video, leave a comment, and if you're new here, thank you so much for coming, and please consider subscribing to this channel. In our last video, we covered the rehabilitation progress of Uhuru Highway, and in this video, it's a continuation of that video. So if you haven't watched that, please check it out, and we'll have the link at the description section of this video. Since the opening of Nairobi Expressway, traffic congestion has reduced on Mombasa Road to some extent, but Nairobians have not really embraced the use of the toll road above us. Some sections of Mombasa Road have been rehabilitated, and we hope that the other section will also be repaired. Pedestrian walkways will also be put up, and green spaces also restored where possible. We want to take a moment and thank our members, subscribers, viewers, and the Premier Gang for all the support you guys have given us. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. At some sections of this busy highway, some lanes have been well marked while some have been not. You'll also notice some lanes start and end abruptly, and we hope that this will also be fixed. If you have driven at night on Mombasa Road, you'll agree with me that some sections will need some street lights and some reflectors, and we hope that can be fixed too. Thank you so much for watching and for joining us. Please remember to share, to like, to leave a comment and subscribe if you're new here. And until the next video, have a great day, be kind to someone today, and cheers. Bye bye.